Imagine a world where sunlight is just a distant memory, a place so deep and dark that for centuries we thought life was impossible, but we were wrong. Down there, in the crushing blackness of the abyss, evolution didn't just continue, it went wild. It's a realm where the rules of life as we know them are rewritten, giving rise to creatures so bizarre, they seem conjured from our deepest nightmares. For millions of years, in this hidden kingdom, nature has been running its most extreme experiments. The result, a menagerie of monsters and marvels, each one a masterpiece of survival. Take the anglerfish, a classic icon of the deep. In the absolute darkness, it carries its own fishing rod, a glowing lure dangling right in front of a cavernous mouth lined with needle-sharp, inward-pointing teeth. Any unsuspecting fish drawn to the light gets one chance to see its doom before it is snapped up. And that's just the female. The male is a tiny, parasitic creature whose only purpose is to find a female, latch on, and fuse with her body until he is little more than a built-in sperm bank. Talk about a committed relationship, but the anglerfish is just the beginning. Let's venture deeper, into the midnight zone, where the pressure is immense enough to crush a submarine. Here, we find the viperfish. Its teeth are so long and sharp that they don't even fit inside its own mouth. They curve back up towards its eyes, forming a deadly cage. The viperfish uses its incredible speed to impale its prey on these fangs after luring them in with glowing photophores scattered along its body. It's a living, swimming trap. How do these creatures even see in the pitch black? Well, many of them don't. Eyes become a luxury when there's no light to capture. Some species, like the faceless cuskeel, have lost their eyes entirely, relying instead on a hypersensitive network of sensors to detect the faintest vibrations and chemical traces in the water. They navigate and hunt by feeling their world, a sensory experience we can barely comprehend. Others have taken the opposite approach. Instead of losing their eyes, they've evolved massive, ultra-sensitive ones. The barrelli fish, for example, has a transparent head filled with fluid. Inside this see-through dome, its large, tubular eyes can rotate, looking straight up through the top of its skull to spot the faint silhouettes of prey swimming far above. When it finds a target, its eyes pivot forward, and it strikes. It literally has eyes in the back, or rather, the top of its head. Surviving in the deep isn't just about hunting. It's also about eating whatever you can find, no matter how big. The gopher eel, also known as the pelican eel, has a jaw that can unhinge to an astonishing degree, allowing it to swallow prey much larger than itself. Its stomach is equally elastic, stretching to accommodate a massive meal. In a world where your next meal might be weeks or months away, you can't afford to be a picky eater. You evolve to take what you can get, whenever you can get it. And then, there's the art of disappearance. To avoid becoming someone else's giant meal, many deep-sea creatures have mastered the ultimate camouflage, invisibility. Some, like glass squids, have transparent bodies that are nearly impossible to spot. Others use a clever trick called counter-illumination. They have light-producing organs on their undersides that perfectly match the faint glimmer of light filtering down from above, effectively erasing their own shadow and making them invisible to predators lurking below. While we humans have explored more of the surface of the moon than we have of our own ocean floor, these creatures haven't just visited the deep, they've conquered it. They are living proof that life finds a way, adapting and transforming in the most extreme conditions imaginable. They show us what happens when evolution is pushed to its absolute limits, creating a world that is both terrifying and beautiful. Every new dive brings new discoveries, each one stranger than the last, reminding us just how little we know about the dark, mysterious heart of our own planet. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the abyss. If you were fascinated by these incredible creatures, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. See you next time.